Number 3, I'm trying to get it to be in the form y equals mx plus b. So you find the term that contains the y, and it's the only thing that I want to have on that side of the equation. So I'm going to move this term away from it first. To get 11x to go away, I have minus 11x from both sides. Cancel here, bring down negative 4y equals, I want to put the x term in the front like this looks, so negative 11x, this is a positive 32, so I plus 32. The last thing is to get this negative 4 away from the y. They are multiplying, so I have to divide both sides by negative 4. Cancel here. Y equals, I'm going to take this first term and I'm going to put it over negative 4, put a plus, put that last term over negative 4. Now I just have to reduce, so I'm going to get the final answer of y equals, if I do negative 11 divided by negative 4 and hit math, enter, the only thing that changes is those negative signs are going to go away, so it's just going to reduce to a positive 11 over 4. Instead of keeping the x in the numerator, I pull it out beside the fraction. 32 divided by negative 4 is negative 8. So I'll put that minus 8 at the back of the equation. So in this equation that is in slope-intercept form, the m, or the slope, is 11 over 4. The b, or the y-intercept, is negative 8. Number 4, I write how I want it to look, y equals mx plus b. I find the term that contains the y. So it has a minus 8y. I'm going to move this term away from it. So minus 11x on both sides first. Cancel it out. I'm going to bring it down. Negative 8y equals, I want the x term in front. So negative 11x. They had a negative 48 over here, so I'll put minus 48 at the back of the equation. I do not want this negative 8 right beside my y. They are multiplying, so I divide both sides by negative 8 to get y equals, I take this first term and put it over negative 8. I put a plus, take this last term, negative 48, put it over negative 8. Now it's my job to reduce to get my final equation. Y equals, a negative 11 divided by a negative 8 will reduce to a positive 11 over 8. Remember that we do want that slope to be a fraction, so that's why I'm leaving it as a fraction. Negative 48 divided by negative 8 is a positive 6. So my slope for this equation is 11 over 8. The y-intercept for this equation is that number at the back, the 6. Okay, yesterday y'all did a homework page that looked like this, that matched the front of what we did together, where you had to draw these lines and write the equation. Now on the back, I told y'all not to do these yet, but now you're going to do these 4, and you'll turn that paper in and then start the next notes.